Hey, and welcome to another episode of Back from the Future, where we like to talk about stuff from the past, present and future. Now today we're going to be talking about what to do when you get a brand new computer, whether it be a desktop or a laptop. We're going to be talking about certain optimization procedures that you can do on your computer. Now I've just got recently a Dell Inspiron 7000 or 7590. So when I first get a laptop, the first thing I do is delete everything, and I mean everything, and reinstall a fresh new copy of, well, for this laptop, Windows 10, because most of these laptops or desktops or whatever come with a lot of bloatware that you don't really need on your computer. So I completely do a format the hard drive and then reinstall Windows 10. I then go to, for the example on this computer, because it's a Dell, I'll go to the Dell website and download the control software, which allows you to further optimize your machine. Also, when you do install Windows 10, that in itself can come with a bit of bloatware. So if you go into the settings and delete apps that you think you won't need, anything basically you don't recognize, you can delete all of that. And because more often than not, you're not going to need it. Secondly, what I do is I go to Startup, and basically I untick almost everything except for, say, the virus protection, or if I've got a firewall, or if I've got a VPN, I'll leave them turned on. But apart from that, everything gets turned off. I then go in to the privacy features, and I turn everything off. Now, it's bad enough applications sending data or harvesting data. It seems our organs are no longer valuable anymore, and there's something more precious that they can have of us, and that's our data. And Google itself absolutely hemorrhages the amount of data it sends about us back. It does everything it can to get information on you and send it back to its servers. So I turn everything off there. Then I go to background apps, and again I turn everything off as well. And you know, why do you need all these things running in the background, eating up valuable resources on your laptop, and also, you know, like memory and CPU power and everything else? And last but not least, I'll go to the taskbar, and I'll switch on auto hide taskbar. It just gives me a bit more screen real estate when I'm working, and sometimes some apps actually get covered up by the taskbar itself, so it's a very good thing to feature to select. And this isn't a very long video, but I think it's quite a helpful and informative video. What I will be also doing in the next couple of videos is talking about some amazing free applications that you can get for your PC in terms of antivirus and firewall protector, and also maybe a good VPN for you to use as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. If you like, leave a comment, leave a like, and if you want to join me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, please feel free to do so. And guys and girls, hopefully I'll see you in the future, if there is one.